to lower your risk of a heart attack. It's important to avoid foods that contribute to high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and inflammation. Here are 7 foods to avoid. 1. Processed meats, e.g., bacon, sausage, hot dogs, high in saturated fats and sodium, which can raise cholesterol and blood pressure. 2. Fried foods, often cooked in unhealthy oils that are high in trans fats, which contribute to heart disease. 3. Sugary beverages, e.g., soda, energy drinks. Excess sugar can lead to obesity, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes, all of which increase heart disease risk. 4. Refined carbohydrates, e.g., white bread, pastries. They cause spikes in blood sugar and promote weight gain, increasing heart strain. 5. Fast food, typically high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium, leading to clogged arteries and high blood pressure. 6. Margarine and hydrogenated oils contain trans fats, which raise bad cholesterol LDL and lower good cholesterol HDL. 7. Excessive alcohol over content can lead to high blood pressure, obesity, and an increased risk of stroke and heart failure. Using heart-healthy alternatives, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, can significantly reduce your risk.